Hi, today I'll show you how to enter recovery mode on your Motorola E6 Play. So, first of all we need to turn off our phone. Then let's press and hold volume up button and the power key. Now we need to choose recovery mode by using the volume up button and press the volume down button. So that's it. This is actually a recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using the volume buttons and confirm your choice by pressing the power key. So let's choose reboot system now, first line, and press the power key. So that's all. Press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.